Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to delete a Facebook page. Friends, if you want to delete a Facebook page, then you need to open Facebook app on your mobile phone. Now here you need to long press on the profile picture. Now here it will show all the pages created on this ID. So you need to press on the page to log in. Now we are logged in to this Facebook page. So to delete this page, you simply need to press on these three lines. Now here press on settings and privacy. Now press on settings. Now here scroll it little down and in bottom you will find SS and control. Now here you will find option to deactivate page, or you can also unpublish page, and in the last you will find option to delete page. So if you want to permanently delete your page, then you need to select this option and press on continue. Now here you can give a reason why you want to delete this Facebook page. So after giving the reason, press on continue. Now here Facebook give you an option to save your photos and videos posted on this page. So to do so, you can press on download your info and after that press on continue. Now in the final step to delete this page, you need to enter the password of your Facebook ID. So after entering the password, your Facebook page will be permanently deleted. So friends, like this you can very easily delete a Facebook page. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.